Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Audacity on a Windows computer step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Audacity website. On the home page, click the Download without MuseHub button. This will download the Windows installer directly to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Audacity setup file. If the user account control window appears, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. Now the Audacity setup wizard will open. Select your preferred language if prompted and click OK, then click Next to continue. Read the license agreement, accept it, and click Next again. You can keep the default installation location, then click Next and finally click Install. The installation process will take a few moments. Wait until it reaches 100%. When the installation is complete, click Finish. If the Launch Audacity option is checked, Audacity will open automatically. That's it. Audacity is now successfully installed on your Windows computer, and you're ready to record, edit, and export audio files. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next video.